It was way past midnight, and she still couldn't fall asleep. This night the train was leaving. She tried so hard